really needed a new casserole slash baking dish and definitely wanted one that was big, and this one is. So I ordered the 5.1 quart in white, and it is deep dish for sure. As you can see, here is my old one. I cannot get those stains out no matter what I do, and you can see just how much more shallow it is. This dish is a premium ceramic and it's lead free. It's passed the food grade test. It cooks evenly, it's durable, it's resistant to chipping as well. And then when you're cooking, it distributes the heat evenly and can go up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, of course, without the lid. You should not have a problem with sticking either, as there's a non-stick glaze on here that makes cleaning and cooking really, really easy. So I have a lasagna in here, and this is huge. I feel like, so this is just a lasagna from the store that I switched and put in this pan. And as you can see how much space I have, I thought this lasagna looked big before. It looks so tiny in this dish, but I can easily scoop this right out of here. You should try and use a silicone spatula. I accidentally used a metal one, and over time that can scratch the nonstick surface. So just use a silicone, wooden, or plastic one. As you can see, it fits in my fridge great, and it's stackable too. I feel like with the holidays coming up, this dish is going to get even more used. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. This will get tons of use, everything from roasted chickens to different casseroles.